Hello DANNYCOM subscribers, special greetings to you wherever you are watching us this evening or this morning, depending on the current time and then the location that you find yourself. We want to sincerely appreciate you for your subscription and then sharing of our video. In fact, we want to say a very big thank you to all our followers, for following DANNYCOM. You know, on DANNYCOM we do nothing but then taking you through the basic things that everybody is supposed to know when it comes to technology. And in today's video or in today's episode, what I am going to walk you through is very simple. It's very simple that I think everybody is supposed to know in this technological world or this technological era that we find ourselves, where working in groups is now becoming every organization or group of people are doing these days. Okay, so what I'm going to teach you is that I'm going to show you one or two things that you'll be able to know or have on your computer, so that when you are working in groups or in teams, you can even be doing this no matter the location that you find yourself or the geographical location that you are located. Okay, what I simply mean is that you can be in the US, UK, Germany, Ghana, wherever, and then still be working together in groups or in teams. Okay, and so this evening or morning, depending on the location that you are watching me from and your time zone, I'm going to teach you one or two things that you are supposed to have on your computer, so that in case anytime you have an issue and you want somebody to come to your aid, you can be able to provide this information to the person, for the person to be able to assist you by watching your screen or by sharing your screen. Okay, and so if this is the first time you are watching my videos on YouTube, I want to say you are sincerely welcome to DANNYCOM channel. Please click on the subscription button and hit on the notification bell, so that anytime a video is posted, you will be notified. And to all our subscribers, please comment, share our videos as well, to educate somebody that you may know. You know, on DANNYCOM we do nothing but give you the very best of videos that will educate you or that will add up to your knowledge. Okay, and so in today's video, quickly let's go to our laptop and I will show you what we are going to do. We are going to learn about working in groups using what we call remote desktop applications, example like Google Meet, TeamViewer, Zoom. So all these applications that I am mentioning, okay, what you are first of all going to what you are supposed to know in the first place is that for me to be able to assist you wherever you are, or for somebody to be able to assist you wherever you are via remote support. Via remote support means that you are not close to the person, but the person is having issue on his or her computer and you want to provide assistance for or to that person. Okay, so there are some applications that you are supposed to have on your computer, so that anytime you want somebody to provide assistance or support, that person will be able to see your screen and give you an assistance. Okay, so one of the applications that you can use include Google Meet. Google Meet allows you to share your screen for somebody to see your screen and say maybe do A, B, C or that. Okay, one of the applications that helps you to share your screen is Google Meet. All right, we also have Zoom. The Zoom that now, due to COVID-19, a lot of people are now on. Zoom became popular in the COVID-19 era season. Okay, so a lot of us are now on Zoom. Zoom gives you the privilege to share your screen for other people to see what you are doing, so that they can also provide you with support or assistance. Okay, another application that can also help you give access to somebody to see whatever you are doing on your computer is TeamViewer. TeamViewer is also a powerful application that you can explore. But we also have AnyDesk, ANYDESK, AnyDesk. It's also another powerful tool that you can have on your computer, so that anytime you are having a challenge or you need a guidance and you want somebody to provide you remote support, that's like give you assistance from wherever he or she is, you just request for your ID and then be able to connect to you. AnyDesk is one of those applications. But in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Chrome Desktop, or let me say Chrome Remote Desktop. let me put it this way, Chrome Remote Desktop. So I'm going to teach you how to use Chrome Remote Desktop so that you'll be able to assist somebody, or you'll be able to request for support from somebody when you are having challenges with your computer or with whatever you are doing in the office. Okay, so assuming you are in the office, you are working, you are getting issues with your computer, like one or two things that you can't even figure it out right, and you need the assistance of an IT person or somebody, but the person is at the moment not close to you. What do? The person can just request for your Chrome Remote Desktop ID and be able to connect to your computer and provide you all the support that you need. All the applications I've mentioned also do the same thing. Okay, but in this video I'm just going to show you how to use Chrome Remote Desktop app. Okay, so you just pick your computer. Let's go to the computer and I will show you. So now when you go to your computer, the first thing that you are supposed to do is that you just open up your browser. Okay, so when you open up your browser, inside the search URL, just type Chrome Remote Desktop. As you can see, you hit on the enter key, it will pop up like this. Okay, you just click on the remote desktop. Okay, and when you click on remote desktop, you can see that the easy way to remotely connect with your home or work computer or share your screen with others. So this remote desktop that is coming from Google Chrome helps you to share your screen with others so that they will be able to provide support, as I've earlier on explained to you, in case you are in need. Okay, so you have access my computer and share my screen. That's the same thing here, access my computer and share my screen. Okay, so you have two basic things that you can do. It's either you are accessing your computer or you are sharing a screen. So what this means is that you can provide an assistant to somebody. In that way, you are accessing somebody's computer, or you can share your screen to somebody. That is, you have been connected, all right, and you are giving a screen share to the person so that he will have a look at whatever that you are doing. Okay, so for instance, if I want to share my screen, what I'll do is I'll click on share my screen. So as you can see already, I'm not logged in. Okay, so your your browser, you must be logged in to any Gmail account, because this product is coming from Google. Okay, so I'll quickly open one of my browsers that I've logged into an account. Okay, so I'll just type in Chrome Remote Desktop. So as you can see here, it is. I'll just select it up, and after selecting, as you can see, we have remote access, remote support, remote access, and remote support. Okay, so if I want to share this screen with somebody, so assuming this my computer that I am using, I am working with somebody in UK. Okay, and I want the person to see my screen and be able to provide me support or assistance. What I need to do is that I have to generate what we call a code. Okay, I have to generate a code and then now give the code to the person who is going to provide support to me. Okay, and so when you generate the code and you mention it to the person is going to enter the code at this place, access code, and now click on connect and you are good to go. That's all. That is all. So first you generate a code. Okay, give the code out to the person, let him connect, and that is all. It is very safe because as soon as you are disconnected, every information is gone. So for instance, if I'm connected to your computer for about 15 minutes or 30 minutes after providing you the assistance, and then we disconnect from each other, that particular connection or session is ended and ended forever. So even if I want to connect to your computer again, you have to generate a new code and give it to me. So in case you're having a network error or an interruption and then you want to reconnect back, okay, you have to let the person generate a new code and give it to you before you will be able to access that particular computer again. All right, thank you very much for watching this particular video. Subscribe if you have not done so, share the video to educate somebody, and then let's build this channel together where we will be able to help every individual in this technological era who is having challenges